Our children are suffering. Our daughters are crying. They are suffering under the hands of people, crying under the hands of some men. They lose their lives under the hands of those we love, tortured, violated, destroyed. Yet you know this life goes on like no man. Suffering under the hands of those we love, crying under the hands of those we trust. Lives destroyed, screaming, desperate for help. Oh, they are suffering under the hands of those we love, crying under the hands of those we trust. Violated. Lives destroyed, screaming, desperate. My beloved child, child of my womb, my beloved bride, is your place. Someday, they say someday, the world will need a light. Chema mwana wangu wekubereka, chema mwana wangu basi panonde papo. Rimwe zuba wanasikana. Say someday, my daughter, oh will hear your cry. They are raised by the people we have entrusted them with, molested by the uncles, our brothers we love. Some fathers haven't held anything they abuse. The mama's friend rapes and daughter she silenced, Lord. My beloved bride, chema mwana wangu wekubereka, my daughter bride, chema mwana wangu basi panonde papo. Rimwe zuba wanasikana. Vachato kuzwa chete iwe. Shine, shine, shine. There is a way beyond mine. My baby boy. Baby smile. For your brighter days. Shine, shine, shine. Suala